going to be a busy week, I can already tell. Looking at futures last night, looking at the charts this morning, it's going to be quite interesting. So let's take a look. Wow, it's going to be a long morning. Let's take a look at the charts this morning. We're going to be trading 2-day puts and calls, likely puts though, just because we don't want to deal with the time decay on the 0 days, as we still have quite a bit of volatility. So, if we zoom in here, we'll go over to the SPY, DIA, and Q set. Alright, so you can see Friday was a nice drop, bounced off the 200 SMA on the daily. That's this chart over here. You can see almost nicked it, right? Just a little flesh wound there, and that huge bounce coming off the bottom, that guy. So we're going to be very careful and make sure that we don't get wrecked there. Alright, so let's go take a look at our good old Qs. Huge pre-market drop that looks like it might have double bottomed. Yep, double bottomed with Friday. So Qs are going to be a huge one to take a look at. Likely going to be trading puts on those. We'll possibly be grabbing a weekly put or two to hold into Friday. So we're going to keep that in mind. Same thing with DIA. Double bottom in pre-market. That's important. That's very, very important. So we'll keep that on watch as well. Let's open these guys up. What a huge move. So if we open up and Qs break this pre-market area here, I expect it to just haul all the way back up. However, if it breaks below here, we are going in some large puts, because that will be extremely nice on the profit side for those 2 days. It will be quite nice. So, here's somebody. Nope, Jeff is muted. Alright. Almost ready here. It's gonna be a nice morning. Alright, 1:40 left. Let's see here. Almost ready to get started here. Another 1.5 minutes. Should be a good one. Alrighty. We're so close. Nice little bounce here on the 20 for SPY. Q's under it. Rejected VWAP for the most part in pre-market, but VWAP doesn't do shit in pre-market because there's not enough volume to care. So we do keep that in mind. But it looks like we're going to have puts right out of the open. Oh yeah, Apple short, as Jeff mentioned there. It will be good. So I'm just going to get ready for these. 25 seconds left. Let's see that breakdown. Our activation will be if Qs fail the 170.09 spot. That will be our entry on those puts for SPY, because then everything will just come flailing down and it will be fantastic. Alright, 4 seconds. Here we go. Get ready for the ding. There it is. Oh, what a great song this morning. I like it. So let's prep 277 puts, 4 contracts, just in case. Want to make sure that those are limit order ready. Sorry, market order ready, because I want them to just fill in case we get a huge drop. Looks like Qs are going to take a little move north for the most part this morning. See how this reacts. Always choppy the first few minutes. We've talked about that every single morning. SPY looking for a little move north as well. DIA getting on the bandwagon. DIA actually brought itself to the morning muster and got the update. That was a joke we had last week when DIA was not doing anything that the rest of the market was. Qs and SPY here, they were doing their own thing and DIA just wasn't doing anything. So the joke was that DIA missed the morning muster, missed all the updates. So we're looking for a pullback here, but I'm not surprised we get a little push here. Qs might get a move here. Let's see here. Ooh, nice pullback. Long wick up top. Long wick on SPY. We want to make sure that this is actually going to be a move, so we're not going to take the move early up here. Q's likely coming down here, but still choppy the first few minutes.
I'm bullish on SPY above 27707.
Okay. Of 27707. Yeah, if we get that little bounce there, it is possible, but there goes the break. We're gonna see a move down. Q's fell off the floor.
Do some more TA for equities real quick.
I'm watching SPY here. Failed 277. And I am in puts. 4 contracts right before the continuation. Mark it out, make sure that that order is ready. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, great entry there. We filled those puts at 166, currently 166 to 168. Watching Q's here, right? This is our big mover. We're going to change that guy over to a 2-minute. Look at that absolute destruction. Let's see if we can actually get some continuation here, or if it just bounces. Very nice move. Q's leading the charge down, SPY following. So as far as where to take profits on this move, we have the only logical spot is our 200 SMA on the daily, and that is at 27600 this morning. So round number plus that 200 SMA, that is the spot to be. So we're going to just chill out and wait for that. Sit here and profit in the meantime. I do want to change up how that SMA looks though, or the 20 EMA on the daily. Where's the edit button? That guy. Edit. Where's our 20? We'll move this over here so we can continue to watch this chart. 20 exponential. We'll do that. It's easier to look at. Huge move coming right through the psychological support here at 27650. Might do a little bit of a bounce here, but I expect continuation. It's just a rough move this morning, which is just fine with me. Goodbye, Apple. That is absolutely correct, Jeff. We're going to see some absolute destruction this morning. Watching very closely. And there goes the 27650 psych support. Looking for 27600. Woohoo! 300% on those 1116 puts. Damn. That is some money. Here we go, very nice move here. 27638. Wow, we're coming down. What a move.
I missed out some fun on Friday. Y'all had a good time.
Yeah, it was good. It was nice and choppy, but it was a nice angled chop right down to the floor. Let's see here, how's Q's doing? Oh, Q's taking it hard. DIA not really getting the memo this morning. Not a huge drop, but that's okay. 27626 is the low on our current candle for SPY. Coming down hard. Oh man, what great profits this morning. Whew. What amazing profits. $27624, still coming down a little bit. Gonna be watching this spot. Where is it? Going to our regular grid here. 27618 is the SPY bottom. We want to make sure that we don't get a hard bounce there. If we do, we're going to take profits and then reload. But I don't expect the bulls to try to buy this up. They just got hit too hard at open. I don't think they're ready yet to buy back in. But time will tell. We're only 6.5 minutes into the market. Oh my god. Let's see if these bulls do anything. I'm ready to market out if need be. That is the choice. What are we gonna do here?
Wow.
Yeah. Apple got hit hard. That was a good one. Been watching that on another monitor here.
Momentum is dry for the most part.
Yeah, with this open, momentum's going to be a little tough. Watching Qs here. Want to see how that plays out. But I'm expecting continuation down. Yeah, Frank's still holding those puts from last week. He's profiting quite nicely this morning. Very well done. Yeah, I sold those Friday just because I didn't want to take that time decay over the weekend. And it's okay. It's alright. I don't mind. Let's see here. SPY, what are you doing? Let's get that other move down. Q's looking for another move. There's Q's new low of day. Very nice. SPY looking for a new low of day. Let's get that break through 0.18. That would make my day. And down she goes. There's 0.15. Alright, looking for 27600. If we break below the daily 200 SMA, this is going to get even more disgusting. So, only two things can happen. It stutters here at 27600, or we drop below 27600.
If we drop below 276, we should see 27531.
531, I agree there. Looking at 531 is that daily 13 EMA. Let's see if this stutters or if it just falls.
DIA is coming quickly.
DIA is finally moving? That's good. A little slow to the party this morning.
Yeah. You already in your puts?
I'm still holding SPY puts.
Okay. If you can get below that 275.
Yeah. I want to see how this 27600 plays out, because that's both psychological support as well as that daily 200. So we might get a bounce here, but I don't expect it.
Check that.
Not with how strong the bears are this morning. Go back over to the Qs chart. That's going to give us an idea of how strong our momentum is bearish in the tech sector.
Just seeing a curl, careful.
Yeah, curl, and I'm out. I'm going to take profits here and then come back.
Okay.
So that was a move from 166 to 201 for 140 bucks. I will take it.
There you go. Good job.
Very, very nice. Fantastic move. I'm going to keep an order prime for 2755 puts, 4 contracts of those, just in case we break under 27600. Nope, we're about to get it.
If you want to re-enter,
yeah, I want to wait for the reload.
Yeah, the 27622.
Yeah.
If that doesn't get pushed, that's gonna be the continuation of the bearish wedge there.
No.
Bears and bears. Sign me up.
Looking for a reload to that 13 EMA on that 1 minute chart. This 27649 right now. That's normally where we get our reload. Qs are also gonna have to look for something there. Let's see how this reloads. Q's still slightly bearish, but I'm not comfortable until we get that reload. We need a little bit of bears to get beaten down and some bulls to get trapped. Patiently waiting. Where is that button? That button here. Bear down, well done. Alright, Spy. Just waiting for that little reload here. Now 27645 is our 13 EMA.
Apple's getting crushed. EA looking like it's about to get crushed. LCI, our LCI for momentum.
Alright, Spy might go for a new low here. Yep, tapped a new low. Here's 27600, 2759. Oh, bloody hell. I'm not convinced. Q's didn't make a new low. Q's was leading this morning, so I'm not going to take this entry. Yeah, we need the reload.
Stick to your guns on that.
Yeah. Make sure my order is ready for when it does need to be activated. 275.5 puts. Just waiting on those. It's like I want to buy calls to the reload, but that's just stupid, so I'm not going to do that.
Take the long in this setup.
Yeah. Q's in a little wedge here. If Q's breaks, then we go in puts. Yep, we're going to get a move down. It's just going to be slow. Q's rejected. Come on, where's that reload?
LCI.
Now the reload is at 27631. 13 EMA coming down quick this morning. Yeah, watching this guy here, you can see that we didn't print the new low. It might have double bottomed. Low of 7.4 versus 7.3, so 1 cent off. Q's rejected that new low, and now we're going to get a move back to the 13 EMA to confirm that reload, and then we'll get another move down. But it is tough, patiently waiting for that. Unless Q's gets a new low of day, we gotta wait for the reload. Yeah, we're stuttering around the 2760 psych support. It's a tough one, I like it. By testing 20-day EMA, yep, there it is right there. We're watching that one very closely. It needs to do a little bounce here. There's the Q's reload in the mix. Yep, 15 minutes until that 10 a.m. drop. I'm going to mark it now, right? We're going to get a move up to the 13 EMA, and then come about 10 a.m. we're going to get another drop. And we will be in for that. Yep, Spy looking for the reload here. Gesundheit. Oh, we're ready. Oh, there's the reload. Good job, Spy. More importantly, good job us for not taking a stupid entry and waiting. Waiting is good. Oh, this is a good song.
I can't. Oh, maybe I can.
I know, it's on the stream. Alright, here we go. 276.18 is yesterday's low, yesterday being Friday. So we're going to watch that. 13 EMA is right on that now. Oh, come on, Spy. And as we discussed on Friday, we want to wait till the other side of the evening star candle. We don't want to get it on the upside. We want to get it on the downside. So we're going to be patient. Let it actually touch that 13 EMA. Unless, of course, it never touches. But we want to get it on the back side of that move. Come on, Spy. We are ready.
Yeah, box held is.
Spy's about to take a new low. We're inputs. It's going through the floor. We're going to get a nice move. It rejected that move up to 276.17 or 1.8, yesterday's low. Q's back down towards low of day, and Spy Prince new low. Fantastic entry. Very, very nice. Filled those Spy puts at 148. Filled 4 contracts, same size as the first order this morning. Making sure that I've got my market order ready for when I want to get out of those. As far as trying to figure out what support this is, we're looking at 27543 or 2755, which is our psych support. So that's very important. Spy 15-minute looks like a dumpster fire, which is perfect. Q's printed a new low, but it did bounce, so we're going to be careful of that. But Spy looks like we're going to lead this one for the rest of the morning here. Nice message, Jeff. I like it. Spy is ready to tank, and there it goes. Very nice. 27583, so about 30 cents away from our psych support at 5.0. Man, I love mornings like this. You can hold puts all the way through, or you can be smart about it and just take little orders and take a few minutes back and forth. The DIA slowly bleeding some more this morning. I like this movement. Q's not really with the party at the moment. Let's see when the bulls give up. You'll see all of the bullish orders, all the bids just disappear for half a second as it falls through. And all the bears will get market filled, and it will be wonderful. Oh, there it goes. Yep, Spy leading this one. DIA also coming in hot. I like it. 148 was my entry. Yep, 148. 27550 is the target. There's 7.2. 12 cents away. Sorry, 22 cents away. I promise I can count. Very nice this morning. Great turnout on this on the English is hard. Great turnout on the stream this morning. Now 8 cents away on SPY. Here we go. 267, 66, 4, 63, 62, 61, 10 cents away. Oh man, this is gonna floor so hard. 576. We're so close. Nope, I don't want to do that. Come on, SPY. DIA took a huge hit. Qs are actually slowing down a little bit right now. Just a few cents here. SPY might go for the bounce here. Watching very, very closely.
There's not much to bounce on.
Yeah, there really isn't. Nothing but
275.31. Remember?
yeah. We gotta get through that psych resistance or psych support of 275.5 first. Let's see how this plays out here.
Movement looks healthy.
Yeah, I don't mind a healthy move, but I want to make sure that I'm not trapped if this is the bottom of the morning. What time is it? 9:52, so we've got 8 minutes until the 10 a.m. drop. Yep, we're going for the reload to the 13 EMA. DIA, nice little move there. Weakness on the 1 minute SPY. Watching SPY closely here. 27569, not a bad spot. So we've got our first wave. I wouldn't even call this a reload. First wave, slight reload slash pause here at Friday's low of day. Second wave, slight reload right here. And we're about to find a new low. If this can hold. 6.3. The previous low was 5.5, so we'd like to get lower than that. Take it to 5.0 and then 4.9. There's 5.9. Come on, SPY. Five nine is the bottom on this candle. 5.8. And here we go, SPY. The only reason I would exit is if we start to double bottom here. But we're so close to the 10 a.m. spot that we're expected to get continuation down. Double bottom on the 1 minute. DIA still weak. DIA is leading this one a little bit. Q's slightly bullish, SPY just neutral. Looking at that 13 EMA 27585. Just patiently waiting on this. DIA is looking for another move down.
This looks good to the downside, Spy.
Yeah, it does. Just gotta make sure we actually get that downside.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my coffee real quick.
Alrighty. Looking for that tap of the 13 EMA. Possibly the 20 SMA here, if it gets a little bit of a push, but let's see how this plays out. Getting the tap. 1 minute on this candle. There it is. There's the tap.
What's up?
Good morning. How's it going, Chris?
Good, good. How about you guys?
Good. Just loving the SPY puts this morning. Easiest open ever. Just waiting for that 13 to reload right here and then continue down. Yep, there's the reload. Very nice. "15 seconds on this candle. Patiently waiting here. SPY just hugging under that 13 EMA on the 1 minute. SPY looking for another move down. I'm filling 4 more contracts of puts. Alright, now filled a total of 8 contracts. Here comes a new low on SPY.
For real, this is looking good for SPY. For
No.
the shorts.
Just filled 4 more contracts. Here we go. Q is looking for the drop. DIA already printed a new low of day. Looking for 2753 roughly.
Okay.
27530, yeah.
Are you scalping the 1 minute?
Yeah, scalping the 1.
Savage.
I know. I can't read the 5. I don't have that patience.
What's up, dude?
The dream, yeah. I like this.
Patiently waiting on SPY here.
Well, let me rephrase. It could do better, but we'll watch it later today. Boxell's doing well also. Yeah, SPY.
Here we go.
Significant.
Goodbye, new low day.
There you go.
We had a significant spike in open interest.
Yeah. There's
Put the call
275.5.
ratio. We just hopped over our 20 period average of put to call ratio, so we're now more puts than on average over the last 20.
Yep. Absolutely.
People are definitely starting to hedge this next leg down.
Yeah, this is fantastic. 27530 is right here. Let's see if this bounces.
Not just today, but it looks like the market is expecting this to go further.
Yep. I completely agree with that.
You think
in coming days.
You think a week-long put is in play?
Not with
Well,
this entry, but later today, yeah.
Just looking at the data, it looks like the market's anticipating it going lower.
Mm-hmm.
Based off of open interest and put the call.
SPY right at the daily 13 EMA, 27529.
Let's see what the rangefinder says.
Yeah, what do we have? That is a great tool. I love that thing. Come on, SPY, print lower than 30.
Let's look for Friday's expiration.
It's gonna be pretty high volatility, plus or minus like $5 is my guess. Looking for 27500 as our next exit on SPY. Oh, come on, SPY. It's stalling here on the daily 13 EMA. Small 1 minute candles here. A little bit of a stall. Q's printing new low of day on the 1 minute. We're on the 2 minute here. SPY does the same. Come on, SPY. Let's get that move way down there. Looking for Q's 16800. Come on, SPY. I'm looking to take profit if we don't get a move here in the next few seconds. What are you doing, SPY? What are you doing? Q's are coming down, SPY's just stalled. There we go, SPY, come on. Almost new low of day. Come on, SPY, come on, come on, come on, come on. 1 cent. It is so primed.
The 1 minute for this.
Oh, rejected that. DIA in a bearish wedge here. SPY flat. Where'd my music go? There we go. Now I got my music. It's very important. There we go. SPY new low of day. We're good. Looking for 27500 psychological support. There's SPY 20. DIA printed a nice new low after that bearish wedge on the 2 minute. Yeah, if we hit 27500, I'm going to take profit and call it a day. Because it's perfect. Absolutely gorgeous move. Or if we get a bounce here. The volume's starting to slow down a little bit this morning. We are at 10:05, so our 10 a.m. drop is in effect at the moment. Ten seconds on this 1 minute candle. Let's see how it can move. I'm taking profit. I'm out. Not gonna think about it. Not gonna risk it. That is okay. So we were in at 148, out at 147 for $150, and then in at 164 and out at 187 for $92. So a total of 388 for the day. That is not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Looks like we got a move down to 272.53 by Friday with a 60% chance.
Move down to where?
272.5.
272. Okay, 272.5. That is, yeah, that's down there.
You say a 72% chance or a 72?
272.5 with a 60% chance.
Actually, hold on, let me flip that to outside probs. Not bad. Yeah, 60% chance down to 274.30. Sorry, not 272.
Alright. So we see two where. I'm not sure if this is a.
I'll post it in the options chat what I'm looking at.
I'm looking at that awesome target, the rangefinder. Go ahead.
I do like his rangefinder. Do you have a
60%
condition
probably.
in which it moves past a certain price point and that breaks the probability?
That's real-time probability based off of current data.
Okay.
Yeah,
For
that
example,
move
when
is
momentum
very accurate.
plays below a certain point in the setup, it's technically imperfect, right? And we see less potential for movement because there's going to be less interest in it. Now, I know that SPY trade's a lot different, and that's why I'm asking. Do you think that there is a point that say, okay, if it goes above 280, it doesn't matter. This is going to toss that out of the way. You know, that's going to throw our projections off. Because I understand what you're looking at.
That wasn't on real-time calculation. God damn it.
Oh, you weren't on real-time calc?
No, there you go.
That makes, yeah, that's a better
That's
bet.
real-time. That's real-time calculation.
So 90% probability we go less than 274.75. Yeah.
I'm not even trading yet. I just turned my computer on like 10 minutes ago.
Nice.
It's Veterans Day, dude. I was up late.
Yeah, understandable. Yeah, we've got you, Pre. Who else is on our staff? I know we've got quite a few who are former military or current. Let's see here. Scrolling down the list. SPY
so
looking perfect. What
based off the data, we got open interest spikes above average, put the call ratio spike above average, bearish as far as candle go, you know, daily chart looking bearish. The market is anticipating a move down, and there is a 60% chance we'll hit 272 by Friday, but more importantly, we got an 80% chance we'll hit 274 pretty much flat.
Okay, that's a good one. By Friday?
Yeah.
Yeah,
By,
pretty
or
solid.
before or by Friday.
Nice. What an awesome move this morning.
And if you're looking to sell premium, I'll throw up those probabilities as well. So that would be if you're trying to go directional. This is if you're trying to go non-directional.
Perfect exit on our SPY puts just now, right? At 10:06. Then we got to reload up to the 20 SMA. And now we're hugging under the 20.
So that'll give you a range that it's going to stay in by Friday.
Nice.
If you're looking to sell some premium. IVP is 79, so pretty high. Good time to be selling.
Yeah. I'm watching our 20 SMA on the 1 minute. If we get above that and Q starts to angle up, the likelihood of a move to VWAP exponentially increases. I'd take like 2 contracts on that, maybe.
I'll take a peek at these premiums, see what we got for Friday.
By trying. Yeah, if I took 2 contracts of SPY calls, No, I don't like that. We're on a bullish day. I'm not going to fight the trend, no matter what. I'm going to be happy with the $388 and not get greedy.
That's it. That's a good job.
Yeah, non-directional. That's a nice set. Below 280 and above 270. So it's a $10 range.
Mm-hmm.
Or just about that $5.30 either way.
18.
26972, 2618, 26118. Yeah, also a nice one.
You can get a 2-to-1 Iron Condor for Friday with about 60 to 70% probability.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
And that is why I didn't take those calls. Haha, good job.
Tempting to
might
play both
take
directions, but the call.
No, the Iron Condor. It's a good one.
Actually, at the money is pretty freaking high. Let me see what a butterfly would pay.
Yeah. SPY looking for another slight move down.
Do $5 wings, 80 cents.
Man, I want to take more puts on this reload.
You're taking 328 credit, which would bump you down. I don't like that. Probabilities aren't high enough.
Okay.
You're taking 328 credit, but it would put you
7 or 8.
according to the options chain. Like if you're looking at probability of out of the money on the options chain itself,
Yeah.
that play would have you around about 70%, 65-70%. But when you're looking at underlying, which is what I use, just because it's more accurate, you're looking at underlying. It doesn't even put you above 60. You're like down in the 50s.
That's not good enough, yeah. Watching SPY here, if we break low day, I will take more puts. Other than that, I'm going to not be greedy. Not going to be a little shit this morning.
Did you get all that data I DM'd you?
Yeah, I like it. Some good stuff there. I've got to finish reading through it. I was like half reading it at dinner and going, oh damn, this is cool.
Yeah. And it's just the way so you can see what's going on behind the scenes.
Yeah. Long wick
So
on the
like,
1 minute SPY.
You look at standard deviations of a weekly chart, you can see like historically you got, you know, a 60% chance over the last year that it moves $4.37 right in a week, up or down.
Yeah.
But when you're looking at current volatility, it's telling you that same move is up like 75-80% chance.
Mm-hmm.
Which means that the market's actually expecting it to do more than what it historically does, which is typical from the market. That's why selling premium works.
Mm-hmm.
That's why when you look at SPY and you look at you know, implied volatility versus historical volatility, you just you plot those indicators on your chart. You'll see IV is usually always higher than H.
Yeah.
Market always
SPY looking for
expects
another move
more.
here.
I'm gonna see if I can dumb this down for myself for options. So you're saying that when there's a large amount of movement, we're going to have higher premiums. You could sell the premium knowing that the market's going to settle in and having lower premiums when you need to buy those contracts back up.
Yeah, essentially.
Okay.
You just want to make sure you get yourself enough time and a large enough range to let the market calm down, or else you're just going to get burned.
Right.
Yeah, like if I let me throw a quick piece on here.
Yeah, I don't like the move on SPY puts here. I'm going to call that a trading day for me.
That's why it's a 90-minute workday.
Yep, 90
Sometimes
minutes.
you let yourself out early.
Well, actually, that was a 45-minute workday, but I'll take it.
Exactly.
300. Well, let's see here. If we do the math, 388 minus 15 in commission, so it's 373. We are 3/4 of an hour, so that's 279. No, 4/3. I gotta flip that around. 388 minus 15. divided by 3 times 4. So that's $500 an hour. Anybody hiring for $500 an hour? That doesn't have a law degree?
Nope.
Yep. That's why we trade. So when it works, it works.
That's right. Make the discipline play us.
Yep.
This is definitely
Yeah, so I'm going to call this stream there. Great morning. Pretty easy. I like it. Cool. If you're not in wingtrades.com, if you're on the stream, make sure to check out wingtrades.com and link your Discord account, and then you can come hang out with us in voice chat, and then get all of the goodies in real time, because I know that Twitch and Twitter have a little bit of a delay there. But otherwise, thank you for watching, and we will see you bright and early 9:25 a.m. tomorrow, Tuesday morning. Have a good one.